finally got out here to go fishing after a rain delay. Actually 2 rain delays. But chucked mine out there. Went to throw a lure and my pole wanted to take off. Already got one. I'm the first to catch again. Nice for a giant. Probably not. But anything's decent. As long as it's not a dinker. Yay! First to catch and almost hooked. There's no hooking me this week. Last week I got a hook in a thumb. Last week I had to tackle them. They tried to escape. They weren't quick enough last week. But yeah, first to catch this week, and it's not a dink either. Not a giant, but hey, still worth it. T.F.A. Oh, Dad's got another one. Hopefully he can fully land it this time. Last one that popped off right in his feet. Oh no! No escaping! No escaping this time! Yay! Dad's got one there! T.F.A. Yeah, I see it wiggling down there. Stuck in someone's crap. A DOA over there. See it wiggling. This one's wiggling. Yay! They should both caught, and anything after this is a bonus! Yay! Another one! Another fishing. They're not as big as the ones we were catching a while ago, but hey, they're not super deep either. I'm still waiting on something. Still trying a whopper flopper. May have too much action and rhythm to the water to catch anything on a whopper flopper. But you never know. Some of the big ones get a little feisty. Excited? Something? But sure have a pretty sunset. Never know. I might catch one on a whopper flopper. But if not, at least we got one. T.F.A. Oh! Might have double ups. Mine's going all over the place. Dad's bringing one in from way the heck out there. Spider! No, I don't want to do that. Yeah, I think the bigger ones are out and about. As soon as I get this one off the hook, we'll go see what's on mine. If there's anything on mine. It's not moving no more. This one's a little gooey. Yeah. Alright, let's look at mine. See if there's anything there. Or pop the hook while I'm waiting. Or not waiting. Whatever. Probably not. Probably teasing me. Maybe it was a dink and the hook didn't fit in his mouth, so he spit it out. I'm okay with that. Yeah, teasing me. That's alright. I already got one. This last is a bonus. That's the word I was looking for too. Remember the word bonus. Go over. Jeez. I got a flyer out there. I think it's triggering everybody to jump. Oh yay! I got a number 2. That doesn't sound right, but I got a number 2. Dad's got 3, I got 2. Woo. This one's a little bigger. magazine too. Oh, shotgun. Stop it! Oh, this one's a lot bigger. I might have the biggest of the day. Maybe the biggest are coming out against the wall, but yay! T.F.A and the Joker! Do we have a dinker or a decent one? A decent one. Another one. Ah. Poo out of him. Yay! Another one. I'm way back over against the wall. And the wrong side of the bobber showing. So I don't know if I'm tangled or if I had something. Or I had something entangled. Either way. T.F.A! Okay, I know you can't see it, but it's way the heck out there towards the wall, and it sure is moving around a lot. Maybe. Let's see. Oh, it's black. Might be something. Can't tell. It was moving around a lot. The top of the pole was pulling down. So let's see. Am I just tangled? Do I have one? Oh, I got one. Not as big as the last one, but hey, I got one. Hey, what are you doing on the hook? You're supposed to go get your grandpa. You've been caught a few times. You've got a ripped lip. Hey, there's another one. Only if I can catch one on a whopper flopper. Everybody says I can't. That would make too much vibration to scare them. That'd be awesome if I could. I don't know. Keep trying. You never know if a big one gets curious. T.F.A! Alright, I think I'll throw this one back since he's kind of small and he's not bleeding, so I can definitely throw him back and he's ready to go. Go find me your grandpa. Give me your grandpa. Dad's got one. No? Oh, teasing you again. Rude. We got another one. Boy, are they still jumping too. Sit still. Get a hold of you. Are we tied up now? 3 to 3 or? Oh, oh, I know I have 3 now. I know that. Oh yay! T.F.A! Sun's gone. That's alright. Still good fishing though. You know, I hate when people do that. Chuck their stuff back in. Alright, I guess I will release you that way. Go find me your grandpa. That was Dad's latest catch. Right there. He's being a boober at the moment. I always do that. But I hate it when people do that. Throw the fishtails and stuff back in the water. I don't know. I guess it's better in the water than on shore for the animals to find, like my dog. There he goes. Hey, now go get me your grandpa or your older, bigger brother. Okay? That's your chore. Go, mush. Go find him. Tell him, grab that weird thing on the hook allow. With the red thing bouncing above it, okay? still sitting right there. Go on. Go on. Push. Stupid. Well, I think I got the last one for the night, and it's a decent sized one. I thought it was going to be a little dinker from where I caught it. Decent sized one. Nothing on the whopper floppers, but I don't know, I might try it again. You never know, if you get a big one curious and nab it, or a mac or something. I don't know. But, yay! We had some decent sized ones today. That's the last of the night. I think we'll go maybe have a campfire and a knot meal or something. But if you want to see the full video, check out trip number 28. That'll be the full video of this trip. On Friday. Friday before you see this one. Anyways, look for trip 28. Thanks for watching. T.F.A.